boats go out across the evening water, smuggling guns and arms across the Spanish border. The wind whips up the waves so loud, a ghostman sails among the clouds and turns the rifle into silver on the border. On my wall the colors of the maps are running. From Africa the winds they talk of changes coming. The torches flare up in the night, the hand that sets the farms alight, and spread the word to those who are waiting on the border. In the village where I grew up, nothing seems the same, until you'll never see the change from day to day. And no one notices the customs slip away. Late last night the rain was knocking on my window. I moved across the darkened room, and in the lamp glow I thought out in the street the spirit of the century, telling us that we're all standing on the border. In the islands where I grew up, nothing